When you hear Mars, you probably think red planet, right? But did you know each planet in our solar system had a hidden nickname? Some ancient, some modern, and others just downright strange. In this episode of Benny Bits, we are diving into the lesser known nicknames of all 8 planets, and you will be surprised at what they reveal about each world's first sight. So, buckle up as we orbit into the cutest side of space science. Let's start with the closest to the Sun, Mercury, often dubbed the swift planet. Why? It zips around the Sun faster than any other planet, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days. Ancient Romans named it after their speedy messenger bot for a reason. Venus might look beautiful, but its nickname, Earth's able queen. Despite its similar size, Venus is the scorching hot world with crushing pressure and sulfuric gassy clouds. It's like Earth if Earth went supervillain. We all know Mars as the red planet, but did you know it's also called the god of God's playground? Why? Its rusty color reminded ancient civilizations of blood and wet matter, and it hosts the largest volcano and canyon in the solar system. We rarely give nicknames to our home planet, but scientists sometimes refer to Earth as the blue marble, or nod to the iconic NASA photo from 1972 that captured Earth's beauty in space. Here comes Jupiter, the gas giant king. Not only is it the largest planet, but it also has the giant storm, the great red spot that's been raging for centuries. Jupiter's sheer size and power give it the reputation of a cosmic heavyweight. Saturn is called the Lord of Freaks, and not because it's starring in a movie. With over 145 moons and its iconic rings made of ice and rock, Saturn is arguably the most photogenic planet in the solar system. Often the butt of jokes, Uranus is secretly fascinating, nicknamed the sideways planet. It rotates on its side, possibly from a massive ancient collision. It's icy, windy, and has faint rings, making it one of the solar system's oddballs. Neptune, the farthest known planet, is called the ice giant or windy blue world. With winds over 1200 mph, that is miles per hour, and deep blue methane clouds, Neptune looks calm, but it's a turbulent frozen mystery. Let's throw in a bonus Pluto. Yes, it's a dwarf planet, but it's nicknamed the lonely outcast. Demoted from planet status in 2006, Pluto still captures hearts with its icy surface and heart-shaped fleet. From the swift planet to the gas giant peak and the sideways planet, our solar system is bursting with personality. These nicknames are more than fun. They reflect the history, science, and stories behind the planets we orbit with. Which nickname surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Brainy Bits for more amazing space facts, weird science, and everything in between.